We had so much fun in 2019 that we had to come back with a new boat. This year's boat is called Paddledrome. Paddledrome, since it is intended to be reversible like a palindrome. Let's see if we can reverse direction during the race and passing the buoy without tipping over. We used a World War I era dazzle camouflaging inspired painting style. This painting style was used to disguise how far away a boat was. When this painting style was used. And if the enemy gets too close, that's what the sides are for. Rice and Beans, captained by Rowan Jeffrey, Rice and Beans. Early family getting pelted by the water cannons. They're not going to turn around. They're going to turn themselves around, but they're not going to turn their boat around. They're just going to paddle back the other direction. They're making great time. Rice and Beans, small but mighty, and still afloat. Narrowly avoided a collision. Don't crash now. You've almost made it. Give it up for the Ehrlich family. Let's hear some noise. Holy cow. That's speed.
That was
Rice and Beans hanging top. Coming up to the water cannon station. Rice and Beans getting nailed now by the water cannons. Making their way around the buoy. Rice and Beans. Rice and Beans. Rice and Beans. Rice and They're making their way around the buoy. Here they come down the back stretch. Oh, there we go.
a daring move over there. They went closer to the Super Soaker area. You don't see that all the time, Andy, do you?
It's a new one for me, Andy.
It's a new one. It's a new one. I've not seen that before here at the races. Intentionally super soaked.
They're getting swamped for sure. We're about to.
Sometimes when you're having so much fun, you want to go back the other direction.
First plunge of the day. First plunge of the day. Great job, Rice and Beans. Great job.
One more time. Let's give it up for Rice and Beans. Andy, while Steve Gurney and these wonderful lifeguards are rescuing Rice and Beans, is this a really good time to head over to the Reston Museum to get your Reston Museum membership?
I don't know, Andy. What does a Reston Museum membership entail?
Well, a Reston Museum membership today is the way to go. If you're enjoying yourself here today, please think about becoming a member. It's $45 a year today, and today only. You get 2 years for the price of $45. So you sign up as a member today, you're a member for 2 years. So please, if you're enjoying this day, this community event put on by the Reston Museum, please make your way over to the museum and become a member. The goal of the museum is to educate about our past, our community plan, our planned community. Robert E. Simon, educate about our past, to inform the present and help guide the future of Reston. So please, please become a member. There's all sorts of wonderful discounts come with membership discounts here on the plaza. Different retailers have helped us with those. So please, please, it's the only way we can keep this going. And let's give Rice and Beans another big cheer.